Okay, hello everyone. So we will start the webinar in a minute. So please be prepared to see the demo. Okay, hello everyone. I am introducing myself. I am Ayub from 3D Tech Solution. We are the Malaysian Siemens partner um, for Solid Edge software. So this is the Solid Edge ST9, and uh, this is the interface that you will look after you open the Solid Edge. But before we go to the Solid Edge software itself, so let's go to the PowerPoint slide to see some presentation. Okay, Solid Edge in action. I will present this what you call a Solid Edge on 25 April. Is it today? Okay. Solid Edge not only provide a solution for design, but also for simulation, which is if we want to test the quality of the design that we already made, we can do the simulation. And also Solid Edge do the manufacturing, which is if you want to turn your design into a real, you can get the manufacturing, you can get the CNC code from the Solid Edge and insert it to your CNC machine. And then after that, we also have the design management, which means if you have 25, it's okay. But how about if you have the 20,000? You need a design management to manage your file. So that's why Solid Edge have the as-on design management in the Solid Edge itself. And the last one is the apps, which is Solid Edge has a lot of apps out there to synchronize with the software. Okay, we go to, okay, this is the master mover. Okay, please have a look to the video. This is a master mover, which is we use it to carry a heavy load, which is such as a London bus, wind turbine, and many more. And this electric type is used by very well-known companies such as Jaguar, BMW, and so on. You can see over there. Actually, it's not important that you don't design this product, but the important is that Solid Edge can solve your problem day to day in whatever solution. Okay, so let's go to, okay, this is the part flow that we follow, and the part flow is usually used by engineering company. So the first thing is we go to the part design, and then after that, of course, we still need the part drawing, which is we turn the 3D design into the drawing. Then after that, we go to the assembly design, which is we can create a part within the assembly. And then the next is we go to the assembly drawing, which is we still need the drawing, right? Same as the part design. We go the drawing from the assembly, and then we go to the simulation. Okay, simulation is about to test the quality of the design, such as I said before. And the last one is the design management, which means we can arrange our file nicely through the add-on software in the Solid Edge. Okay, so let's go to the part design, and after this we will go to the Solid Edge, which we will design what we call a clamp arm. So from here you can see over here is the clamp arm that we will design. Okay, let's go to the Solid Edge itself. Okay, this is the master mover that we work on, and if you look carefully from the Solid Edge over here, you can see the interface is very familiar to us, which is it is similar to the Office products such as Microsoft Word or Microsoft PowerPoint. Over here, the ribbon and also the application button. So over there. And if you want to learn something, you can go to the learn over here. And there's a link how to learn. For example, you want to go to the user community, you can go there, and user community is very useful for us. If you have anything to ask, you can just post in the community, and the community will give you a solution. And if you don't find the solution in the user community, you can go to the contact support, which is what we call is GTAC. And from there, you can insert your problem, and we will give you support to you. Okay, so let's go back to the master mover, and after this, actually we can hide some of this part. So to hide some of this part, you just uncheck the box, and if you want to uncheck a few box, you just go over here and click the configuration that already made. Actually, I already made the configuration for this part. So just a few part will be shown. Just you look over here. Okay. Okay, you can see the blank face over here, right? So that's the clamp arm that we will design after this, and how to design. So let's go to design. So let's go to the application menu and create a new ISO part. Okay, over here. So how to do it? Actually, I can select the tools from up here, but actually we have a very convenient way to select the tools. Rather than move your mouse up and down, you can just hold your right click, and you will see what we call is a radial menu. I want to select a circle, and then you can draw from there. Okay. Okay, from there. And also, if you get confused where the tools is the position of position of the tools, you can find over here the common finder. For example, I want to find a line, and it will show the position of the tools. So the line is over here. Okay. If you get lost on your tools, and also if you get confused on the function of a tools, no worry. Actually, so that is very convenient. They have the tools. They have what we call a mini guide. So if you move your mouse over there, you can see a short video about the function of that tools. So you doesn't need to Google it. You just move your mouse over there, and you can see a simple guide to show how to use the function. So same here. You can do it. Okay. So let's continue our drawing, and you can move to the tops and continue drawing. And let's say you don't want to insert the line over there. It's okay. You can just leave it and go to the next. But and from there, and still move it. And let's say you don't want to insert the value right now. You just click it. Okay. And after that, you still can insert the dimension. So from here, you can insert the dimension, and this is the 2D drawing, right? So how to turn it to 3D? So very simple. You just pick the region. The sketch make the intersection of the sky will make a region, and when you click the region, there will be an arrow over there. And this arrow will definitely turn the 3D into turn 2D into 3D. So that's how it's work. Okay, and even in the 3D, we can still manage to change the dimension. For example, over here, the 100, right? We still can manage it, make it shorten or make it lengthen. So we just insert the value and over here. So this is what we call a 3D driven dimension, which is not only we can drive the dimension in 2D, but also in 3D. Okay, so how to modify this model? So actually when you click the surface, you will see there will be an arrow. And what happens if you pull the arrow? So same things, it will move symmetrically. The left side and the right side will move symmetrically. But how if I don't want that move to be symmetrical? So just uncheck the button over there and it will just move at the right side. Okay. So you insert the value to be 50 and okay. And I want to make some line over there, up there. But in Solid Edge, it's very simple. He doesn't need to trim the line over here, the extended line. He doesn't need. What important is you want to divide the region into two, the left region and the right region. And if you want to modify it, just click it and you pull the arrow over there. So just like it. And then after that, I want to insert the total height to be 150. But remember the height is already 34. You can see over here. And how to do it? Just insert the mathematical expression 150 minus 34. And after that, just do the from. And from here you can see how to make around. And even the hidden edge, you can select it without rotating it. Like you can see the hidden edge is highlighted for us. Okay, as simple as like that. And here also we insert the value to be 40. So here the hidden edge. And how if I want to select all the round over there? It's okay, just select all the fillet, insert the value, and also all the round. So you doesn't need to pick one by one. Okay, you doesn't need to pick one by one. It will make your time, it will save your time a lot actually. And sometimes people will do some error, which is it will select a line that doesn't need to be round. So if you just click all the round, you can select all the round without a force. Okay. And same thing over here. Actually, I forget to insert the dimension over here. So in Solid Edge is it does nothing to be worried, because even in 3D it can still be driven. Okay. So does it to be 45? Is it? Okay, 45 and right click. So this is our model. And if you have a question on whatever, if you in your mind, you just insert in the live chat over here, and I will respond it. And actually, in order to enable the live chat, you need to make your channel. And if you get confused how to make a channel, there will be a small guide in the description over here. Just follow the step, and you can have a live chat. Okay. For example, if you have anything, just repeat. Have a live chat. Okay. Then we go back to the Solid Edge, continue our modeling, and from here I want to make some hole over there. So we go to the top view, and then same things. We go to the circle, paste it before. And after that, I want to make a rectangle, two rectangles actually. The first one, second one. Actually, the second one I want to have a same line over here. So, but actually, it doesn't need to do right now, because we can do it on 3D after this. So I will show you after this. Okay, so just leave it, and select the region that we want. See the arrow over there, and cut it both way, up and down. So that's how to do the cutting. And after that, as I said, we can do the relationship in 3D. So how to do it? You go to the face relate over here, and you see the coplanar relationship. Just click it and make it symmetric. Okay. The first plane to be symmetrical to be coplanar with this. I will show you the result after this. Okay. What will happen when we insert the 3D face relate of coplanar. Okay. So we go to the bottom face first. And from here, I want to make some dimension. Okay. Here. Here. Here 40. Here. Okay, I have, wait a minute. Okay, let's continue our work. And I just want to make some gentle reminder about the webinar. So we go back to the YouTube, and if you have some kind of blur vision, something like this, you can change the view quality over here. You change it to be 7 to 0 pixel, which is the HD, okay? And you will see a little bit clearer vision. And of course, it will consume a lot of data usage. But if you have a good data, it's okay. Okay, we go back to the solid edge and try to do okay. Try to do dimension, right? Okay. And also over here. Over here, we set to be 25. And I want to show to you that I said before about the 3D relationship at the coplanar, and you will see the result over here. Whenever I change the dimension at the right side, the left side also will be changing. You can see over there. Right? So that's the benefit of face relate in 3D. Whenever I change the left side, the right side will be changed. Okay? And for example, I change to 5. See the result. Okay. So let's go to one more thing I want to do over here is a hole. So we go to the hole feature over here, and then we insert the hole over here. And before that, I want to show to you the option button at the command finder over here. You will see something like this. You can select the counter bore, counter sinks, and also what is it? Traded type of hole. And also you can select a lot of size over there. So you can just select it, and also you can save it as your preference. So for example, I already saved my configuration into demo, and just select it and press OK. And after that, place the hole. That's it. Okay. Okay, and then how about if I want to make this hole? I don't want only one hole, but I want a lot of hole over there. So in Solid Edge, we have what we call as a pattern. So you can even from one single hole, you can make it double, a triple, or even a 7 hole. And in this case, I just want it to be fixed, which is the distance from hole to hole to be 20. So let's do it. And okay, we finish it. So this is the holes. Okay, you see not clear view, right? You just uncheck the button over here and you will see a clear version of a 3D model. And after that, what I want to do is I want to insert the material into this model. So how to do it? Okay, you go to over here, the material, and you click it. And you can choose the recent material that you already used before. For example, before this, I have used copper, I have used PVC, so I can select it. And if you want to select the other material, you just select from the material table. And from there, you can see a lot of material, from the non-metal to the metal and many more. And in this case, I just want to choose the aluminum alloy to be aluminum 7075. The model, and you see the model is already assigned into a material. You see at the part finder over here, it's already assigned into aluminum 7075 Okay, and also if you don't like this interface or this surface, you can change the color. Over here, you can go to the part painter, and then you can choose whatever color that you want. For example, I want to um, choose a black, and then go over here. And you, to make it easy, just click the feature, so it chooses all the feature. And also, I want all the pattern and so all the holes. So that's it. Okay. Okay, so we already finished the part design for this what we call clamp arm. And then, okay, we go back to this side. Okay. Okay, from here we can see what we this is part design. Okay, what we can see is the combination of two type of modeling, which is the history-based modeling and also direct modeling. And what Siemens do is Siemens at all the positive point of the two world modeling, and Siemens do the synchronous technology, create a synchronous technology, and end up to 4 new points over here. So this all point is explained in the demo just now. So what we have to do, we have look before this is the best of both worlds modeling, which I said before, the history-based modeling and also direct modeling. And actually, this is what the engine that used behind it is what we call Parasolic engine. And actually, also there's a lot of CAD software that use the Parasolic engine. And what is special is Parasolic engine is owned by Siemens, but the synchronous technology is given by Siemens exclusive for only Solid Edge. So there's the benefit of Solid Edge. And maybe you can have a try. Actually, we have a 45 days trial, and you can download it from the Siemens website. And even if you want to us to give the location how to download it, you can just write in the left chat on the YouTube, and maybe I can show to you how to download it. Okay. Okay, we have about 15 minutes more, so let's go to the part drawing. Okay, what I want to show to you about the part drawing is how to add a view to clearly communicate design, and then how to retrieve the dimension from the 3D part that we are already assigned just now. And the last one is how to add a further dimension. Okay, so we go back to the Solid Edge, and okay, this is our clamp arm. bit for clamp arm. How to change it to the drawing is you go to the new and then drawing of active model. Okay. Okay, from here you can, before start, you can see the preview of the model that you already designed. And from here you can predict whatever type of shape that will be presented. And from here, okay, you can arrange it. And after that, what I want to do is, I want to show to you how to make an auxiliary view. What the function of auxiliary view is to see the view that can be seen. For example, from here. Okay, from here, for example, you draw a line and it will point it from the direction of there. Okay. And then after that, maybe you don't want to see the whole part over here. I just want to see the small part over there. It's okay, you just crop it to be small, and you can even um, arrange it there. Okay. Okay. The next thing is I want to show to you. If you see over here, you can make it bigger. So what we call it is a detail view. Okay. Just select it and press it. You can choose the scale over here, or you can scroll your mouse. Okay, for example, I scroll over here, and then, okay, this is the detail view. And then, as I said before, we already assigned the dimension in the 3D part, right? So actually, I don't want to do the work twice. So I just retrieve the dimension from there. Okay, you go to retrieve and click it, and we show the dimension that we already assigned in the 3D part over here. So you can look, and what we need to do is we just do some arrangement to make it well arranged. And from here, here. Okay, that's I think is good. Okay, and how about if I want to make some additional dimension? It's okay, you can do it. Just go to the smart dimension and you go over here. And you see the radius to be 2, right? And how about if I dimension over here? This one is scaled to be 5 times more bigger, right? So when I click dimension over there, it will show the real, what we call the real radius. Okay. So when you see the radius is 2, this one also is 2 because it's referring to the original dimension, not the 5 times more bigger. Okay. Okay, let's go to the down over here. I want to make some more dimension. I just want to make call it a center line and also center mark. Where is it? Center mark. Okay, over here, and from here up there here. So this center mark, and also you see over here there's a lot of hole, right? So I don't want to choose one by one. I just make a rectangle and make it. So this is the center mark. Very easy. And also I want to do some more animation. Go to smart dimension from here to here, and also from here to here. And some people they are not able to see this cross section. They will say this is not well arranged. So no worry, actually we can make it arranged. Just drag the knot over there and also knot over here. So you will see it will be more arranged than before, right? So there's no clash on the line, as you see. And what the special of smart dimension over here, if you choose a line, you can select the distance. And if you click over here, the round, it will show the diameter, right? And but if you choose 2 diameter, 2 round, I mean, it will show the distance between two circles. Same thing here. Okay. And if I choose 2 line over here and press A, it will show the angle. So even just using one single tool, I can create what we call diameter, the distance between 2 holes, and also the angle. So that's how the smart dimension work in Solid Edge, and it will save your time. You doesn't need to choose different tools to make angle or circle or line. You just choose a single smart dimension, and it will show the rest, the total function of the dimension. Okay. And also from here you can select the radius. And what I want to show to you after this is I want to make some prefix, which is additional, which is over here, right? So you can make it over here. There's a prefix or suffix you can add, and these are ready to be typical. So I write it typical and apply it, and you see it will change. Okay. Okay. So actually, there's a lot of what we call it radius up there, right? So I want all the radius to be typical value. So doesn't need to add one by one. Just click it and then paste it over here. So you see the typical. You doesn't need to add the prefix one by one. And also over here. So you see the typical, right? So you doesn't need to add one by one to show the typical value. So that's it for the dimension. And the last thing I want to show to you from here, from the drawing part, is I want to see the cross section of this 3D drawing over here. So how to do it? In Solid Edge, we have the broken view, equal broken view. Just a few steps, select the over here, and we need to draw some sketch of the broken. Actually, here you can wait, maybe one more time. Okay. From here, you need to draw a close line, which means the last line to be very precise to close. Okay. Otherwise, it will not working. Okay. You can select the rectangle over here. You also can select the circle or what type of feature that you want. And then after that, close the broken, and then you need to assign the depth of the broken, either the middle or whatever. And for this one, I just select the middle and then apply to here, and you will see the broken view over there. Okay, that's how to make a broken view. If you want to see some what we call it, the inside cross section of a model from a 2D drawing. And also, if you notice over here, this interface also seems like the what we call Microsoft Excel. If you want to add a sheet, you just click the new sheet. Yeah, just like that. So we're back to the assembly. Okay, from here, okay, this is our master mover. And since we have a few couples of minutes, about 5 minutes, I want to show to you what Solid Edge can do in the assembly. Okay, so we go to the, you see over here, the right is there, but the wheel of the left side is not done yet. So we need to do it by ourselves. So let's do it. Okay. Since we have a couple of minutes, we do it for a few minutes. Okay. top view, and then before we go, we need to activate the part first. Okay. Okay, that's it. And then after that, how to make it? Actually, we don't need to assemble it one by one. We just select all the part that we want to copy, and then press a copy. And actually, we need to make some arrangement over here and move it over here. Okay, just like that, and paste it just like that. Surprise. Okay, it's very simple. Yeah, just like copy and paste in whatever. Maybe you have document, right? You just copy it and paste it. That's how we working on Solid Edge. Very simple. And also, I want to make this screw to be have some cover for safety. So I want to add some part. Okay, here. And what the benefit of the part library over here? We can see the preview. Choose the name of the file. You just click it and it will show the preview at the downside. Okay, just drag it and just make assembly. Okay, finish it. So this is one, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 more to be assembled. But in Solid Edge, we doesn't need to assemble one by one. Just I said before, you just go to the pattern, duplicate, and then choose the pattern that you want, and then choose over here, and after that, paste it and right click. So you see our cup of screw is over there. Doesn't need to assemble it one by one, and we just finish it. So very simple in Solid Edge, very fast. You just can do it in a few minutes. Okay, so let's go back to the master mover, and this is our master mover. We see the full configuration all over here. Okay, and show all. Okay, that's our screw and also our wheel that we just made just now. And I think that's it for this time webinar. Maybe if you have some question or anything you may ask in the live chat in the YouTube. Okay, we see maybe you have, maybe after this you can still email me or comment down here to, maybe you want to ask something, you can do that. And I think that's it. Okay, for this time I show the part design, right? The part design, and then part drawing, and also some of the assembly design. We never touch it fully because we doesn't have much time. I just show the how to duplicate and also how to insert the component. And what we see from the part drawing is, the first point is fast view creation, which is for example, the smart dimension, right? Just using one smart dimension, we can insert the angle, the radius, the diameter, the line, and whatsoever using one tool. It will make your time save. And then the second one is automated production, which is we can retrieve the dimension from the 3D part. It doesn't need to do one by one again. And the last one is clear and accurate to the standard. Okay, so that's it for our webinar. If you have anything, you can ask me from the comment or whatever media. And see you for the next time. Webinar. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much for your time. See you next time. Okay. Okay. Stop broadcasting.